Hello and welcome to my channel. This video is about how we can show or hide a HTML element with click of a button. So I have used a simple example. We have two balls made in HTML, ball red, ball green, and two buttons below them. We will use them for removing our balls on page. So we have basic styling for our balls and buttons. So here is ball red. So we have used background color red for red ball and for green ball color green. Uh, so these are like circles and I am going to show them on page. So this is how it looks. So there are two buttons, remove one and remove two. So we will see how we can implement our uh, remove buttons. So inside script, first we are getting the ball red and ball green. We are going to use query selector. We can use get element by id as well. Similarly for ball green. We are getting our buttons. So now we are using click event on our buttons, as we want that when we click the buttons, our element, as here is both these balls, should disappear. So we are using a property called visibility. So we can access it like this, element dot style dot visibility. So we are going to just check this. Whenever the button is clicked, we will check if the element is visible. If it was visible, then we will make it invisible by just switching this property. And then the else case, when the visibility is invisible. So if the wall was invisible, then on click we will make it visible. So this is the basic code. So but we could have also used some counters, like started at 0 and then for even. So here we have implemented that. So when we click, then it checks visibility and changes the visibility according to the code. So that's it. So I have just copied and pasted the code for wall 2, same code, but we could have also used some counters, like we start at 0 and we will increment the counter such that for odd it will be visible or invisible, and for even it will be different, and depending on that we can achieve the same. So that's it. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel for some similar videos. Thank you.